think I really attribute it to the people supporting us. Because, yun nga parang Lin Lang was supposed to be a one-time project. Pero sila yung nag-request, na parang they wanted more, they wanted to see more. They did Secretary Kim, then they wanted a movie. We gave them a feel-good movie, and now parang an intense teleserye. So, ano talaga, siguro hanggang nire-request na hanggang may gusto pang panoorin kami. Parang we'd still do projects together. So it's for the fans and people who supporting us. So thank you so much.
For projects together, where do you attribute the success of Team
Ito naman is, hindi naman siya mag-work without the support na nakukuha namin ngayon. Ako kasi, nakaka-3 love teams na ako. So parang talaga, meron pa rin pala na nagsusupport sa amin ni Pao. And this time, in this day and age, ang bilis ng takbo ng bawat artista. And ang bilis magsawa ng mga tao. Pero sobra kaming nagugulat and at the same time, very thankful ni Pao na ganito yung effort and time and love na binibigay nila sa amin. Kaya gusto din namin ibalik sa kanila with giving them great projects also na iba-iba para iba-iba yung variation.